Okay, I've already installed one mini split cassette in the living room. This is the finished product. Looks pretty nice. We're really lucky that we were able to put it in a position where it services the room well. And now we are going to install a second one in the master bedroom. So this is basically the process. You gotta contain the area for dust because it's a retrofit. And so I'm getting ready to cut the hole. I've already been up into the attic and laid out where the trusses sit so we can position this thing in the room in this tray of the ceiling.